everybody, Costa Great Missenden here. I thought I'd make a quick video on how to prep chicken wings. So here we go, I'm going to show you quickly. Right, so okay, as far as I'm aware, there's 3 ways of prepping chicken wings. Please feel free to correct me in the comments. First off, you can take it nice and simple. Get your chicken wing, pull this, break this back, just tuck it up like that. So it just sits nice and tidy on the grill and cooks away. Another good one, that's perfect for a quick easy barbecue in the evening. Another good one is just to cut this part off on the joint. So you find the joint, work the knife into the joint, cut through the joint, discard that, discard your tip. That just gives you a nice easy chicken wing to eat. Good family eating. Another way is you take this off again and separate it out, feel the way through with a knife. Discard that bit, and again you cut this down here, break it a little bit, you'll feel it go, and just feed the knife down through the joint of the chicken, and that'll give you 2 nice pieces of chicken to eat. You got your drumlet and your winglet. And that's a nice easy way of prepping chicken. These are good if you've got lots of guests and you want to make the chicken go a little bit further for appetizers. This one's good just for home, for you and your family. And again, this one's good for the same thing if you're just feeling a bit lazy. Personally, I prefer these because they tend to cook quicker, and again a little bit goes a long way, so that's good. Just a short chicken video for Costa Great Missenden. I'm going to cook these up later on. I'll put a link below, so please follow it. Tell everyone how much you like it. Much love. Bye bye. Hi, so that was my quick video on how to prepare chicken wings. Very easy, very tasty. These ones are going to be super crispy. Check out the video below in the link, and hope you like it. Costa Great Missenden signing off. See you again. Bye bye.